Hey guys, welcome back to Cheese Kitchen channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. So today I'm going to make a very delicious egg side dish. It's egg pepper fry. This is a very flavorsome and spicy egg dish. It is an amazing side dish for biryani or any type of rice. And also it's super easy to make. Let's see how to make it. So in a pan I'm adding oil. Now before doing the masala, make sure that you boil the eggs. Next to this I'm adding curry leaves and fennel seeds. Onions, so I'm going to fry the onions till it's nice and brown. So onions are browned a little bit. I'm going to add tomatoes. Gonna add some salt and a little bit of coriander leaves. And cook till the tomatoes are completely nice and mushy. So the tomatoes are cooked and I mashed it. It's time to add spice powder. I'm going to add very little bit of chili powder, turmeric powder. You can add a little bit more because it's egg, just to avoid the eggy smell. Obviously lots of pepper powder, coriander powder and a little bit of garam masala. Just mix everything together. Add in a little bit of water for it to cook. Add some coriander leaves. Let it cook with the fragrance of coriander leaves. It's just amazing. So it'll take about. So the masala is cooked. I'm going to add the eggs. Just add it on top of the egg. So yes guys, it's basically done. So yes guys, spicy egg pepper fry is done. So I'm gonna have this with some coconut rice. You can actually have this with biryani and any rice you wish. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.